I'm Frankie Strand. I'm an artist based in London. I've been working on an illustration of some hornbills. They're a type of bird. I saw them in the wild in Borneo and they just really stuck with me, so I like illustrating them and them surrounded by some leaves. Oh, just pretty much nature. I spend a lot of time on Pinterest just collecting interesting animal images and plants. Or on my travels I've spent a lot of time observing plants and sketching them, and then I come back to those drawings a lot. I began with a pencil drawing that I just did before I came here. I was looking at pictures of these birds online and also like 18th and 19th century illustrations, you know, like old textbooks where they sort of position like a bunch of animals together in like weird kind of poses. So I took inspiration from that. Then starting with the Wacom, I did like the grey lines just as if it was a pencil sketch, and then the outlines over the top of that, and deleted the bottom layer, and then just worked in the colour from there, either selecting areas and filling them or using a brush. I've been using the paintbrush and the paint bucket, but I also play around with the opacity, adding shading with like a darker shade of green, for example, but the opacity lower down so it sort of blends in better rather than like a hard line. It's sort of a fuzzy brush, which is quite a nice way to get an effect. It just makes me so happy. I've noticed that today, like spending the morning drawing made me just feel like totally full of well-being. So I guess to me it's like a passion and therapy and grounding and inspiration and yeah, making connections with people and being inspired is, yeah, loads of things, all good things.